Hey beautiful people, it's a girl Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make delicious buff buff. Here I am saving my flour. It's very important that you save your flour. I will be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. After sifting, I added instant yeast, salt and sugar, powdered milk. I will list all ingredients and measurements in description box. Add some water. Add the water gradually as you mix. Don't add all the quantity of water that you will be using. Added more water. Like I said earlier, add the water gradually. Don't add everything. Don't pour all the water at once. As you mix, beat the dough as well, like as if you're kneading it. Knead as you mix. That helps with the texture. Mix properly to make sure that there is no lumps. After mixing, I'll go ahead and cover with clay film and set it aside. Now we are not in a cold season, but you know, UK weather cannot be trusted. So today is a bit cold. I'll leave mine till it rises, depending on when it rises. This is after 1 hour. And if you are in a warm country like Nigeria, you can leave it for 40 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on how warm your house is. You see how smooth it is? That is how smooth yours should be. And cutting of buff is something that I've been making buff for a very long time. I still don't know how to cut it, so just practice. To be honest, I don't have any hack or any trick to this, but let me show you the one I did before, just for practice. You see how big they are? You want to make it a bit small, and so because it rises, even while in the oil frying, it still rises. It's all about practice, and only professionals really knows how to cut buff, and they cut it so nicely. It's round, it doesn't have any branches. And fry the buff on a low heat, medium to low heat. When your buff is getting too golden quickly, you know your fire is too high. You see how golden it is? This is how your buff should be. If it's more than this, it burns. this is how it is inside. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.